A vibrant parrot sat alone in its cage, longing for freedom. One day, a kind soul opened the cage doors wide. The parrot hesitated, eyes blinking at its open world. Tentatively, it stepped onto the threshold of its past home. The air smelled differently, carrying hints of rain and earth. With a cautious yet hopeful heart, the parrot spread its wings. Its first leap was shaky, wings flapping awkwardly. It landed on the ground, dazed but determined. A gentle breeze whispered encouragement, rustling leaves in the trees. Slowly, the parrot tried again, lifting higher this time. The forest embraced it with open arms, lush and vibrant. Gradually, old instincts awoke, rhythm returned to its wings. Flying with grace, it soared among the treetops joyously. The parrot discovered a symphony of sights and sounds anew. It sang a song of freedom, echoing through the rainforest. In the vast canopy, its heart found home again.